Good morning to all. In the last class, we discussed about the short question answers of poem number 4, The Divine Image. Today we will discuss the long question answers having the word limit of 30 to 40 words. There are only two questions in this section and we will discuss both of them. For mercy has a human heart, pity a human face, and love the human form divine and peace the human race. Explain the above cited lines. We have to explain these lines. What is the meaning of these lines? Now listen carefully. What is the answer? Mercy has a human heart. What is the meaning of that? Heart is one of the most important part of our body. Just like that, mercy is one of the most important virtue for a man. Pity a human face. Human face means you can say the face is our identity. Just like that, pity is an identity for a virtuous man, for a divine man, and love the human form divine. The person who has love inside his heart is always ready to help others, and he can be compared to divine personality. And peace the human race. Just like that, the dress makes us decent and beautiful. Just like that, the virtue of peace makes us beautiful in the society, among the human beings. This is the answer for the first question. Now I am moving to the second question. Where does God dwell? Okay, according to the poet, after reading the poem, we can say the person who has all the great qualities, who has all the traditional virtues like love, pity, peace and mercy, that can be compared to divine form. And according to the poem, the man who has these qualities and virtues, the God, the Almighty God, lives in his heart. Okay, this is the answer for the second question. You will also add one question in this section. What is the theme of the poem? The complete poem is revolving all around all the virtuous traditional virtues like pity, peace, love and mercy. And the poet wants to say that every person has these qualities in his heart, but he is not able to realize them. It is our duty to realize them and adopt them in our life. That's all for today. Have a nice day.